running is an addiction, and I got this addiction 15 years back, and believe it or not, that is also because of one cardiac event I had at that time. I got some pain in my chest, inside my heart, and visited one cardiologist. They ran many tests and everything, and I don't remember what they have found, but at the end of our conversation with cardiologist, he said, why not you go and start running? At the same time, one of my friends introduced me to a running group who were preparing for the marathon, and I decided to join them, and I'm running since then. I could not run last 5 months or so. Then 2 weeks back, when I went for a run again, I felt so good, and my addiction to run again kicked in. Last week I went for another run, and I ran 4 miles, and after that I enrolled myself for a race which is going to be a half marathon, and I started preparing for that. So in this video I'm going to talk about my preparation, how to reach from 4 miles to 13.1 miles. Although this plan I made for myself, considering my physical limitation, but this plan should work for almost anyone who is planning to run marathon or any other race as such. And of course you should consult your physician before doing any activities like running. Now question is that why you even want to run? It is kind of a meditation. It is one way to connect with yourself in a much deeper level. As you run, you focus on your breath, your rhythm of your footsteps. You can find yourself in a state where your worries and distractions fades away, and that is very liberating, give you a new perspective in life. Overall, running gives a sense of liberation. It's a way to release stress, cultivate mindfulness, and gives you opportunity to explore around you. Body needs the time to adapt new challenges, so if you increase gradually, body will adapt to the new challenge. So when you run long distance, it creates a tremendous stress around few areas in the body. Now if you suddenly increase distance, then body is not going to keep up with the demand, and you will be injuring yourself. So let's talk about the training plan. First, make sure that you have a good running shoe, because running shoe is very important, and there are incredible amount of engineering going on in the shoemaking which we may not realize. So go to a sports center and ask what kind of shoe you need. There are 3 types of pronations, and based on that you need to pick the right shoe. Give your leg enough rest between the run to recover. You should run only maybe 3 days a week, and other days you can do other exercise to strengthen your hamstring, quad, calf muscles, which are very much needed to have a good run. For me, weekend is the long run and 2 weekdays are short run, which is half of what long run is. So let's see if I run 5 miles today, then in Tuesday and Thursday I'll be running only 2.5 miles each. To be safe from any injury, you should increase your distance only 5% each week. So if I run 5 miles today, I would run 5.2 miles next Saturday and 5.5 in the following one. That way, in 4 months, I'll reach to my goal of 13.1 miles. Keep your posture straight and breathe properly. It is okay to breathe with your mouth. So when you run for hours and if your body is bent, that is going to create stress in your spinal area, which eventually going to create lot of problems. So keep your body very, very straight. Don't close your arm less than 90 degree. It should be always 90 degree or above, because you need a good blood circulation throughout your body. That's it. Just put on your shoes and start running. You will experience something you never thought was possible. Have a happy run. So today's our target is for 6 miles. Huh?
Yeah, 6 miles.
Almost halfway to half marathon, right?
Yeah.
So I ran little more than 6 miles here, and I took a lot of time because of course I was recording a lot. But it's a good run.
Yeah,
I guess I enjoyed.